itel VistaTab 30GT, another new tablet that the company has brought to Indonesia with a different segmentation. Thus, there are two tablets that itel has launched this July, namely the VistaTab 30S and VistaTab 30GT. The VistaTab 30GT is a higher-end tablet than the VistaTab 30S. Despite being the newer model, this latest itel tablet remains affordably priced for users. This tablet boasts two key advantages: performance and a slim, elegant design. What are the specifications of the itel VistaTab 30GT? The itel VistaTab 30GT comes with a Helio G99 Ultimate chipset and 12GB of RAM, 6GB plus 6GB virtual. itel also equips its latest tablet with 128GB of fast UFS storage. You can use this storage space to store work and school data. These specifications are designed to ensure smooth multitasking, productivity, and gaming experiences. The itel VistaTab 30GT also features an 11-inch display with full HD resolution, providing comfort for watching videos or playing games. A 90Hz refresh rate is also included to ensure a smooth tablet experience. Regarding the battery, like its sibling, the VistaTab 30GT features a 7000 mAh battery that can last all day depending on usage. The same goes for the design. The itel VistaTab 30GT has an ultra-thin design measuring 7 mm, making it comfortable to hold and lightweight to carry around. Users of this itel tablet can also take advantage of 4G networks in addition to Wi-Fi networks. Amid the surge in AI technology, itel has also incorporated AI features into its latest tablet. For educational purposes, the tablet is equipped with AI education. This AI feature can be used to assist in learning and teaching activities. So, how much does the VistaTab 30GT cost? The itel VistaTab 30GT is exclusively available on Tokopedia and TikTok Shop during the promotional period from July 25 to 31, 2025. The company is offering a special price of $140 and a regular price of $147. Every purchase of the VistaTab 30GT includes a keyboard and stylus, which users can utilize for all their activities. Additionally, there is an extra gift of itel Buds 5i while supplies last. With its latest tablet, the company aims to address the needs of students, content creators, and young professionals. The target market is roughly the same as the VistaTab 30S, but if you have a larger budget, you can opt for the VistaTab 30GT. The main differences between the two lie in screen resolution and chipset performance. The VistaTab 30S features the Helio G99 chipset. For those who are more active, this tablet could be the safest choice for you.